Today I'm going to teach you how to disable Amazon's two-step verification. If you've decided that this extra layer of security isn't necessary for your account, or if you simply want to streamline your login process, this guide will walk you through the steps to turn it off quickly and easily. Let's get started. First, open your web browser and head over to Amazon.com. Once the page loads, go ahead and sign into your account. You'll need to be logged in to access your account security settings, so make sure you complete this step before moving forward. After you've successfully logged in, direct your attention to the top right corner of the page. You'll see a section labeled Account and Lists. Hover your mouse over this option, and a drop-down menu will appear with several choices. From this menu, click on Account. This will take you to your main account settings page where you can manage various aspects of your Amazon profile. Now that you're on your account page, look for the option called Login and Security and click on it. This section is where Amazon stores all the settings related to your account's sign-in methods and security features. It's the central hub for managing how you access your account and what protections are in place. At this point, Amazon may ask you to verify your identity for security purposes. If prompted, enter your current password and then click Continue. This extra step ensures that only you can make changes to sensitive security settings on your account. It's a quick verification, so just input your password and proceed. Once you're in the Login and Security section, scroll through the options until you find two-step verification. Right beside this setting, you'll see an option that says Turn Off. Click on it. This is the final step that will disable the two-step verification feature on your Amazon account. Once you click this, Amazon will no longer require you to enter a verification code when logging in from a new device. And that's it. You've successfully disabled two-step verification on your Amazon account, allowing for a faster login process. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.